design. With the S50, Doogee moves away from the outlandish design of the S60 to a more conservative one. As expected, rubberized plastic, TPU and polycarbonate, with bits of metal make up the chassis, which is black throughout except for some bright yellow stripes and lines. The S50 has big bezels as well, and surprisingly, Doogee has opted for permanent capacitive navigation buttons, which might not go down well with outdoor users, like site workers, who wear thick gloves. Uniquely for a rugged smartphone, there are two front-facing cameras and Doogee opted for an 18:9 display, both of which are features more commonly seen on consumer-grade smartphones. There's a microSD connector at the bottom of the phone and an audio connector on the top, both covered by rubber flaps. Why Doogee chose not to implement a future-proof USB Type-C connector remains an unsolved mystery. A dual SIM tray, the power button, a volume rocker and a dedicated programmable button can be found on either side of the smartphone. The back plays host to two speaker grills, the aforementioned pair of camera sensors plus a flash, and a fingerprint sensor. Note that the shape of the S50 can best be described, looking at it from one end, as trapezoidal. The area of the front fascia is much larger than the back, which makes holding it more uncomfortable compared to more traditional phone designs.